Okay, folks, we all know the issue. A lot of us are using smartphones as our GPS, etc. at the moment, but with normal gloves, you can't do anything. So, how do you turn any glove, including motorcycle gloves, winter or summer, into smartphone gloves? Find out now.
Down in the dirt.
Right, folks, what you're going to need are these GloveTacts. Bought them on Amazon. It's under a tenner. Takes 2 minutes to fit. Check this out. Okay, take your phone, pop your glove on. Just to prove, switch that off. Won't let me do anything. Put the glove on, just have a quick look. Look where your finger makes contact. What I'm doing is I'm just trying to see where my fingertip best makes contact. So for me, right up about here, along there. That's where I want the pad to hit. So, open up the packet, and inside the packet, you get 2 small and 2 large contacts. Now I'm going to try the small contact initially. Let's just peel one off. And I just want to position that on the glove. I'm just going to do it gently to begin with. Not a particularly firm push. Pop the glove on and just check it for positioning. Now, I think that needs to go a little bit further up for me. So we'll just try it. Boom, I'm in. Can use that. Can I use my sat nav? Perfect. Look at that. Gosh. Works, no problem. Now I'm happy with the position. Let's just push it all down nice and firm. And that is it. Leave it to set for 24 hours and then it is completely ready to use in any weather. Okay folks, so the pad's now on this finger, it's not on the middle finger. See that? Pad there, no pad there. Middle finger, nothing. Pad, straight away I'm in. The camera is blocked on that, so don't look at me number. Boom, I'm in. Can access Kalimoto if I need to. So I can use Kalimoto, no problem. Let's look at, want to listen to a podcast when I'm riding. Beautiful. That works, no problem. Beautiful. Bosh. Job done. So folks, seems to work like a charm. GloveTacts from Amazon, £9.99. There's a link down below, folks. It is an affiliate link, so even if you don't use it to buy one of these, if you just click that link, you get to Amazon. Whatever you buy over the next 24 hours, I get a little commission for getting you to Amazon. Costs you nothing extra, but I get a little bit of a commission from whatever sale you make within 24 hours of using my link. So it goes to help supporting the channel. Really would appreciate it, folks. Thank you very much. I am going to be using this over the winter. This is apparently weatherproof. It's machine washable even. So I'm going to use it in all weathers and just see how I get on. And I'll report back to you on my findings. But for now, seems to work like a treat. Right, folks, if you're a regular subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you've not yet smashed the subscribe button, please do. And don't forget to ding dong that bell. For all you clan members out there, thank you so much for your ongoing support. I really do appreciate it. You are a special, special bunch. If you fancy giving Patreon a go and you've not yet checked it out, patreon.com/TeapotOne. Links down below. Any and all support is greatly appreciated. Okay, folks, keep doing your thing. Get on out there, look after those that you love. But most importantly, live your life. Ooh-ha!